welcome back to Sign Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with Mzata Sophie stories, and today we are talking about My Brother's Keeper, guys. Niyazi ukuthi iviki lokugcina leli sibuka ke My Brother's Keeper. Hayibo, simangaza ukuthi ke abantu bakashabalala hayi ngeke bazibashintshe bakithi, as much as uMadlomo noma ke uFakazile kade ehleli nabo noma ke eme nabo einkingeni einzima, kodwa mangabe sebehlangene bodwa bathi nje bona umuntu ongaseni wakashabalala akaphumelela ibhizinisi. Kade behlanganyela ke umshengu last week bemkhipha bethi ngoba unenkinga mentally ngcono ukuthi akhishwe aphume bamvote out. Manje ke kuleli viki ke batshela uFakazile ukuthi cha Fakazile sidayisela ama-shares akho ngoba wona vele awusiyeni wala ikhaya kashabalala. Kanjani manje gaza phela uFakazile ushade noNqubeko. uNqubeko usefuna uNomusa la usestikeni noMusa, indaba kaFakazile akasayingeni. uFakazile guys walahla umenzi because of family yakashabalala, but yona imenza kanje hayi shame, hayi yabona nje, we don't want to lie. This story must just come to an end because asayazi direction yaso ukuthi ke ibheke kuphi. Well guys, umshengu ke uyayisanganela ke manje, uyakhala uyahamba uyakubuka amamchunu yothi ufuna amamchunu wakhe emathuneni. But ke guys, yeah man, we really enjoy this story, but unfortunately coming to an end this week. Next week singena ke ku story sesha iGenesis. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.